English teacher. I hope you have enjoyed your summer vacations and completed all your summer assignments. I welcome all the new students in the Rankers family in the session 2021. Welcome back to the Rankers family. Students, since the COVID-19 is going on and you have heard lots of about the precautions, what kind of precautions you are taking. Just like that, don't touch your eyes, nose and face with the unwashed hands. And whenever you're coughing or sneezing, just cover your face with a tissue or a handkerchief and make sure just throw that tissue in a closed dustbin. And after that, just wash your hands at least for 20 seconds. Why for 20 seconds? 20 seconds ही क्यों? Why? Because the 20 seconds is enough for killing the germs. So whenever you are going out or you need to be around the people, means आप कहीं बाहर जा रहे हैं, जो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है तभी आप बाहर जाएं. And please wear a mask and use sanitizer frequently. Okay, since the pandemic is going on and we have to be keep learning, we can't stop our learning. So just follow the precautions and keep on learning. So children, before starting the chapter, I just want to take you on a short journey. कुछ पुरानी बातें की जाए. Just like that, जैसे जब आप nursery class में थे, so you must be having a very beautiful shoes, beautiful frocks, t-shirts, and अभी भी आपका दिल चाहता होगा कि that I can wear that, मैं उसे पहन सकूँ. Just like that, I'm also having one of the t-shirt that I really liked it and I want to wear it, but I can't wear. The reason behind this, I have grown up and the t-shirt is very shortened, so I can't wear that. The same reason is with you, that you cannot wear that t-shirt or a shoes. So at least the one scenario is very clear from that कि अब हम बड़े हो चुके हैं और हमारी हाइट जो है वो बढ़ चुकी है और टी शर्ट्स और शूज़ जो हैं वो छोटे हैं. सो वी आर लिविंग थिंग्स, तो हम ग्रो कर रहे हैं, बट नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स तो ग्रो नहीं करती. सो सेम थिंग इज दैट. नाउ मैं जब मेरी हाइट बहुत छोटी थी तो मैं इसे आराम से पहन सकती थी. आई वॉज वेरी यंग, सो आई कैन वेयर इट वेरी ईजिली. सेम थिंग इज दैट. नाउ मेरी हाइट अब जो है वो बढ़ चुकी है, सो आई कैन नॉट वेयर इट. So children, in this chapter, the first portion you have, that is about height. Okay, and the chapter name is that everyone is unique. So now start from the height measuring. My height is 5 foot 6 inches. Okay, so you have to convert that height into the centimeter. So ma'am, EVS में centimeter conversion कैसे आएगा? It's a very good activity. You will be enjoying. So one thing you have to do this. Before this, you have to note it down height of your all the family members, okay, and then you have to convert it into the centimeter. So just learn how to change this height into the centimeter. I've taken my height example here. My height is 5 foot 6 inches. Okay, so before this कैसे convert करेंगे? Learn this कि 1 फुट जो होता है वो 12 इंचेस के बराबर होता है. आपने क्लास 4 में जो है वो कन्वर्जन सीखा था कि मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं. तो 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर होता था. सो राइट नाउ हियर कि 1 फुट बराबर जो है वो 12 इंचेस के बराबर है. हाउ मेनी? दैट इज 12 इंचेस. नाउ just like that, that is 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. Same thing as that, 1 foot is equals to 12 inches. Now here inches is again a unit. Now this unit, that is 1 inch, is equals to that 2.54 centimeter. And here is a decimal is here, so don't worry about the decimal. You can multiply in calculator also, so you will get the answer. Now start with the conversion. So my height is 5 foot 6 inches. So first we'll convert foot into the inches. So we know very well that is for 1 foot is equals to how many inches? That is 12. So now convert, that is 5 into 12, that is 60. Now 60, this 6 inches will remain silent, like we won't change it. Okay, so now that is 60 plus 6 inches. So that is will become, when we add, it becomes 66 inches. So now my height is in inches, that is 66 inches. Okay, now अब हम इसे सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. So that is 66 inches. So multiplied by 2.54 centimeter. Again, as I told you earlier कि 1 inch is equals to 2.54 सेंटीमीटर होता है. तो इस 66 को 2.54 सेंटीमीटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड हाइट जो है वो मेरी अब आएगी, दैट इज 167.64 centimeter. So I have tall. मेरी height जो है 167.64 centimeter. So this is the first paragraph of your book and it has been completed. Now